5분 안에 술래의 눈을 피해 결승선에 들어오는 분들은 통과입니다.
그 옛날에 어릴 때 하던 거 말이에요?
Squid Game, the #1 show across Netflix in over 90 countries. A show that the director took 10 years to try and get greenlit. A show that cost him 60th because of the stress involved. Is it worth a watch? Is it worth the hype? If you're here to find out whether any of this is true, you're in the right place. This is a So Far So Good review. We are Jaggu and Tarana, and this is going to be a review and also sort of an argument between Jaggu and me, because Squid Game is totally not your scene, is it, Jaggu?
What क्या क्या दिखाती है यार? 9 hours, 9 hours.
Good job.
Including some fast forwarding, including some Korean. I need to explain this to you before we get into the review.
Yes.
There is the function on Netflix that allows you to watch it at a 50% faster pace. It doesn't take away too much, whatever, it just speeds up whatever that needs to be speeded up. What I couldn't decide was, should I watch in the original Korean with English subtitles or watch the English dubbing? That also
What did
I was
you do?
switching between. I was
What did you do?
I
Oh, you
was
were switching.
But mostly, I have to say this, I preferred the English. Once I got a sense of, okay, I got the Korean accent, this, that, the other natural flavor mil gaya, then I was okay to watch it in English.
Really? So
Yeah.
I only watched it in Korean, and by and large, the world is sort of saying, please watch it in Korean with the official English subtitles, so that you don't lose the flavor of the dialogues, because there
I
are
don't think
many.
I lost too much flavor.
But apparently, like, the Koreans watching it are saying, "Oh, good lord, the sub whatever the caption generated whatever dialogues are not working." So when you watch it in English and then there are English subtitles are not working. I watched a little bit in English, I think, just to see, and the American accents on all the Koreans drove me mad.
Can you really do this alone? I need you. Old man, can't you see that?
Get up! God, this is so pathetic. Stop calling me babe and old man, huh?
Yeah, but the Korean accent on Korean people, when you don't understand the Korean language, is broadly irrelevant.
And it worked for me. Anyway, so we're already arguing. Do you watch it in Korean or do you watch it in English? I say Korean, Jaggu saying watch it in English. Okay, secondly.
No, I'm saying do a little switching to get the flavor, but I preferred English.
Okay. It is also very, very violent, as you know. So the trailer itself lets you know that basically it's a bunch of people brought together. They volunteered to come together to play a series of children's games. The games are really, really simple, deliberately kept so by the director, because he basically said, I did not want people to get lost in the, oh, what is this game? And oh, this is how it's played. And you know, get distracted by the characters or the story. Well done, you, because I mean, you understand the game concept, because they're bachon ke game, like Langri Tang equivalent and Coco and all of that equivalent. Okay, but in Korea, only thing is, if you lose the game, you don't go home and mommy says, no, you're my Raja beta, it will be fine. You basically lose your life.
Correct. You lose the game, lose the life.
And you know this through the trailer. So to watch this show and not expect the violence would be very silly. Literally, you know, where right on top at Netflix tells you expect sex, violence, whatever. It also says suicide in it. Okay, so anything hardcore that you like to avoid as for viewing usually is all in this show. So perhaps perhaps it's not for you.
This is not Friends. Now I'm feeling it. I'm not just saying, I'm just not throwing this line away. I'm feeling it because I'm the kind of person who likes to watch stuff like Friends. You know, just I need to be entertained. I need it to be light. Therefore, if you are somewhat like me, Squid Games is not for you. Let us be very clear. Now, what did you think of it, Taran? Episode 1 to episode 9.
Loved it.
Why?
I loved it because, wow, what a concept. It's so weird and yet so relatable in such a bizarre manner, because as you see, you know, the characters struggle with, should I continue to play? Initially, all right, they played because they didn't know what the stakes were. The minute the first game gets over, it's revealed that there's a ton of money that they're going to take home if they win. And they've also been told, and if you don't win each game, you will die. and you realize that, okay, for me to win, other people have to die. And how each character sort of deals with that conflict makes you also think, oh, like, if I were in this position, would I continue? Look, there are people who have absolutely nothing going for them out in the real world, and they are desperately in trouble. They could lose their lives. They don't have money. They're in huge debt. So you can understand why these desperate people have come here.
So let
There
me
is no
be
hope.
clear. The desperation comes from, sorry, not, let me rephrase that. They're all doing this voluntarily. They're desperate, but they're given the option. You literally have to pull the trigger, as it were, to say that I want to play. It's not like we're going to force you to play this because your life is so bad to begin with. You're given a choice. So everybody comes with that choice. And then there are mind changes. There are, should we be doing this? Should we not be doing this? But that's all part of the plot. That's all part of the storyline.
So
All
I
that comes later, you
I
figure it out.
enjoyed that human conflict. It made me think a lot. I loved the shot taking. I loved the direction. I loved the way certain scenes are shot. They're like just amazing. And I
Did you
like.
feel? Did you feel that there were some parts, because I felt this? So they're playing games, right? And when you're playing games, it is, especially when the stakes are so high on either side, the director must build up the suspense. Did you at some point feel he was building up the suspense a little bit too much only? Not across the board, but in some scenes? Because
Yes,
I was
yes.
doing on Chalna Jaldi Kar.
I agree with
Get on
you.
with it.
I agree with you, because in certain moments, the tension, you're like, we get it, get on with it. Now, I
Correct.
don't know whether we're losing patience or we're like, oh God, the anticipation is,
Nail-biting.
the anticipation is
Yeah.
making me do this, and I'm just, please get on with it. I don't know.
Yeah,
But
yeah,
by and
yeah.
large, it really worked for me. Is it weird? Hell yes. Is it, are the actors good? I thought they did a fantastic job, especially because I don't speak Korean. And a lot of like, and the Korean language, I think a lot like the Desi languages is very emotional. So it looks like it
Yeah.
could look like they're hamming in certain bits.
But it didn't look like that. It didn't look like that.
Yeah, but I mean, like the tonality is, oh no, why you do like that, and that could distract you. Do you know
Which
what I
is
mean?
why you watch it in English.
The sing song, but it didn't. It didn't, because I'm like, ये तो
Oh, it
बहुत
didn't
hamming
bother
हो
you.
रही है,
Okay.
because you get used to it.
Okay.
You get
Yeah,
used
I
to
guess
it.
that's
Anyway,
the way they do it.
so I think that show is worth the hype. It certainly worked for me, but I like weird, really well-made stuff. I don't just like random weird stuff, like well-made stuff. Are you
Because
somebody who
Tarana,
didn't?
you yourself are weird and well made.
Yes, that is
So,
true. No, but like for example, like, do you enjoy? I don't know. Did you enjoy Pulp Fiction?
Yeah.
Kill
So that's
Bill,
the point. That's
Kill
the
Bill.
point I want to make here. I personally would have much preferred if Squid Games was a film.
So originally the director wanted to make Squid Game, the movie. It took 10 years, and finally Netflix gave him the green light and the money and said, series banao. And it took him a while to, sort of stretch it out. And he said, my
Flesh it
original,
out, yeah.
the original stuff would have been 2 hours, but then I had to flesh it out. And
I would have preferred that.
which is why he lost his teeth in the stress. Which is why also he said, I don't know about season 2. And he had written and directed it all by himself, season 1. And he's like, season 2, I think I'm going to get like a bunch of writers to do this.
And season 2 is set up.
No, he doesn't know. Right now, I think they're just basking in the fact that so many people love it. Funnily enough, people in Korea are not so like, oh my God, whoa about it, because I think they're like, this is the standard in our country.
Ye to hota hai.
Like, how Sacred Games made every like Indian feel like, wow, okay, what a cool show to, come out of the Indian subcontinent, because television is not like this. Our
But
films,
this is the same country that that gave us Parasite, the film, right?
but it's
So
very different
they
from
think like that.
Parasite.
I mean, their film industry works with that thought process in some parts.
But
can I
high
tell you
caliber
something?
acting, high caliber direction, amazing set design. That lady, set designer and art director is just fantastic. Everything is just fantastic. I would recommend you watch it, provided you can handle violence and gore.
Correct. So if you're looking for light entertainment, this is not it. It is there is suspense, there is high drama, there is
There's twists
life
in the
and death
tail.
experiences. There are twists in the tail. But I'm going to say this, right? Because I'm not being entertained but it is giving me, how do we say, I'm going to use the word dark thoughts. I'm using that loosely as a matter of fact, but it does make, well, it made me think, do we actually have choices? When push comes to shove, will you or will you not betray your loved ones? Debt, do we take on debt because we want it, because we need it, or because we have to? All these questions are there to be answered. And then there's also the bigger picture about the inequality between the haves and the have-nots. I think I was reading in Livewire, I think, and they had a short but very interesting article about how it's a play on Korean society in that sense, that it's a play between the haves and have-nots. Inequality is increasing and the rules for the rich and the poor are different. Now, the other logic I heard, and I'm not putting any guarantees on this because this literally came up in a conversation where a friend of mine repeated to me another conversation that it's a play on North Korea, Kim Jong-un. This is how he does it.
Not sure how.
No, fair enough, but these are conversations. These are not guarantees.
Life in North Korea is like that with Kim Jong-un being the puppet master or the person
being
doing
the puppet master. Absolutely right. Being the puppet master, and literally he holds the sword of life and death over you. So maybe it's an interpretation of that. Could be.
All right. On a scale of 1 to 5, Jaggu, dare we ask?
So I'm going to say 3 because it is well made. It did give great suspense, the feeling of drama. It was nail biting. It was all of that, like 100% well made. I didn't enjoy it, so I'm not like, oh, kind of thing, but I don't enjoy this kind of stuff. So I need to factor that in. I'm going to say 3 on 5.
All right. I would have said 5 on 5, but then that would be too generous. Literally because few places you said, acha, chalo, get on with it, kill the tension. 4.5 on 5.
Whoa, that much, huh? Impressive. Impressive. So now what is the average we're looking at? 3.75. 3.75 is
that's in between.
Average. Yeah.
It's the average, and you let us know in the comments below, what did you think of Squid Game, or whether or not our review is making you curious enough to watch it. Let us know what you thought in the comments. Remember to like the video, please subscribe, please turn that bell icon on, and stay in touch with us, and take care of yourselves. Okay, bye.
I also want to say one more thing. If there's something else that's coming up that you think needs reviewing by us, give us that suggestion. We're always happy to take that forward.
More blood and gore and horror stuff for Jaggu.
No, not that. Okay, now we'll go.
Bye.
Bye-bye.